Hi, I'm Rhett Brown,
I'm Jacob Dorner.
and our project is on solutes and solubility. Today our project is going to be hot cocoa, and here we have our pre-made solutions. This is going to be our unsaturated solution. We've already added half a cup of cocoa to it. This is going to be our saturated solution. We've added a full packet, which is the recommended usage. And in this one, it's going to be a supersaturated solution, and we've added 2.
Each one has the same amount of water so that it's all equal.
Exactly. Now, first we're going to take our unsaturated solution and we're going to add water. Just enough to the point.
And you're there.
And we're there. Alright, now we're going to stir that.
To a fine point.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And we're each going to give it a taste.
Not bad.
Alright.
I'm gonna take a little bit to dip on the spoon.
It's not very chocolatey, it's a bit watery, because there is not nearly as much solute as there is solvent.
Now we're gonna fill up our saturated, which should turn out normal. We're gonna trouble getting the equal amount.
It's a little hard to see through, but it should be about right. Alright, that looks about right. Now I'll stir it up.
This one should taste perfect.
That should be about right. Go ahead and give it a try.
This one's a little more chocolatey.
Alright. This definitely tastes better.
And last but not least, we have our boiling water.
Now we're going to have to go over here and get our boiling water. Always safety first. We have our rag. We're going to pour it just to the point.
And you're good.
And we're good.
Now this one's gonna be.
We're gonna have to be very careful with this one because it's very hot.
Put your glasses on.
And put our glasses on for safety.
Because you don't want to burn your eyes.
Absolutely. Now, the reason we heated it up is because in a supersaturated solution, we figured the quickest way was to add a lot more heat. 2 other ways would be to stir it, as we've been doing with all solutions, and to shake it, which I don't recommend for a cup like this.
So you don't fling hot water everywhere.
Exactly.
This is gonna burn a little bit.
I'm going to blow on it.
That's cocoa-y.
Oh boy. Very chocolatey. Now that is definitely a supersaturated solution. Alright, now we should definitely clean up the workspace. Messes aren't always dangerous, like in this case, but they can be. And we should get rid of our boiling water. And there you have it. We have our unsaturated, saturated, and supersaturated solutions. And the best tasting one, by far, I'd have to say, is the supersaturated solution. So that's our project.